Hello, welcome to the sixth video of Scan DRC series. I'm Ankit Trivedi from Tessent Technology Enablement team at Siemens EDA. We will start by looking at R3 DRC rule check and understand why it occurs and how we can systematically debug and resolve it. Let's understand what is R3 DRC. R3 DRC ensures that scan input pins are shared only when broadcasting to identical core instances. It also checks that a top-level pin does not drive multiple channels of same core, preventing illegal or ambiguous scan connectivity. When is R3 reported? R3 is reported when the tool switches from setup mode to analysis mode during scan DRC check. Significance of R3. To satisfy the condition of controllability and observability from a scan perspective. R3 can occur in context patterns, subcontext scan retargeting. R3 is always treated as an error. We cannot downgrade it. Common causes of R3 DRC are scan input pins shared across non-identical core, that is broadcast unintentionally between different core types. Inconsistent top-level connectivity, such as one I/O pin driving multiple scan channels of the same core, or driving identical cores with different pin ordering. Now let's take an example of R3 DRC. In this case, the error message indicates that scan input port EDT in 0 connected with two EDT instances of different core types. To debug this DRC, we need to open the Tessent visualizer using Open Visualizer. In the hierarchical schematic, copy the name of the core level pins from the error message and paste them in the object name as shown in the figure. Now, trace back the EDT channels of non-identical cores A and B, which is connected to the same port. This is the cause of R3 violation. To see the cause of this DRC, we should look back to the definition of DFT model connections. Notice that EDT in 0 is connected to EDT channels of core B and core A during the same retargeting mode. This will cause the R3 violation because these two cores are non-identical. In order to fix this DRC, we can use these two methods. In the first method, we can connect EDT in 0 port to EDT channels of non-identical cores A and B using different retargeting mode. In second method, if sufficient ports are available, one port is connected to EDT channels of each core using same retargeting mode. In this case, we are using second method, where we are connecting EDT channels of module A to input 1 and EDT channels of module B to input 0. This method fixes the R3 DRC. This brings me to the end of the sixth video in the Scan DRC series. For any queries, please feel free to contact me at the email address provided. We will continue with more Scan DRCs in the upcoming videos. Thank you.